In today's nutraceutical industry, the challenge of producing high-quality supplements while staying compliant and meeting consumer demand is ever growing. From managing ingredient variability to ensuring batch consistency, every step requires precision. Nutraceutical companies face constant obstacles, sourcing ingredients, adhering to strict health regulations, and maintaining consistency. Without an integrated solution, it can be overwhelming to manage everything manually. Sensitive ingredients that spoil quickly, coupled with the challenge of tracking origins and compliance, often lead to overstocking or shortages. CUSCEN ERP inventory management module tracks ingredient shelf lives, lot numbers, and stock levels in real time, keeping production efficient and compliant. Managing different supplements formulas and production run can breed bottlenecks when schedules aren't optimized. CUSCEN production schedule module seamlessly adapts to demand changes, optimizing your production across multiple product lines. Regular compliance is critical in nutraceuticals, but manually tracking quality checks invite errors. CUSCEN ERP automates quality checks and ensures compliance, streamline documentation for FDA, GMP, and other standards. Without real-time visibility, making data-driven decisions becomes nearly impossible. With CUSCEN ERP, you gain full visibility and real-time data, allowing for informed decision-making and streamlined operations. CUSCEN ERP is your solution for quality, compliance, and operational efficiency. Contact us today and transform your nutraceutical business.